In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipes to WordPress. To get started, head over to your WordPress.com dashboard and open the My Home section for your site. This is the main control area where you can manage your website, install tools, and make updates. If you're already logged in, this is usually the fastest place to begin because everything you need is organized in the left-hand menu. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Plugins. This section lets you browse, install, and manage extra features for your WordPress site. Since recipe content often benefits from a dedicated layout and structured fields, using a plugin is a much better option than typing everything manually into a regular post. It can help your recipes look cleaner and be easier for visitors to read. After opening the Plugins area, use the search bar and type the WP Recipe Maker. Make sure you type the plugin name clearly so the correct result appears. Searching directly for the plugin saves time and helps you avoid choosing a different tool by mistake. When you see WP Recipe Maker in the results, click on it to open the plugin page. This is where you can review the plugin and move forward with installation. Taking a moment here can be helpful, especially if you want to confirm that you've selected the right plugin before activating anything on your site. Next, click Upgrade and Activate. This will begin the process of adding the plugin to your WordPress site and turning it on so you can start using it. Once activated, the plugin should become available in your site tools, allowing you to begin creating and inserting recipes into your content. One important thing to know is that you need to be on a WordPress.com plan that allows plugin installation. If your current plan does not support plugins, you won't be able to complete this step until you upgrade to an eligible paid plan. So if you don't see the option to install or activate the plugin, that is likely the reason. That's it for the setup process. Once WP Recipe Maker is installed and active, you'll be ready to start building recipe content on your WordPress site in a more organized and professional way. If you're following along, take your time with each screen and make sure your plan supports plugins before you begin so the process goes smoothly.